How to make connections using wire nuts. In this instance, we'll be splicing our fixture lead wire into our main run from the transformer. To start, make sure you have wire strippers and at least 2 dry-con waterproof connectors. Go ahead and cut the main run where you'd like to add a fixture. Split each of your wires at least 6 inches. Use the wire strippers to expose a 1/2 inch of the copper wire. Repeat for the remaining wires. Take one end from each of the 3 wires and twist the copper ends together. Repeat with the remaining 3 wires. Insert the connection firmly into the connector and twist the connector clockwise. Repeat with the second connection. Now test your connections by turning on the transformer and making sure your fixture is illuminated. Once the connectors are installed, all that's left is to bury your wires. You now have a waterproof, low voltage wire connection.